Hi, this is Jason McNeely from hansgrohe. I'm excited to unbox the brand new Aquno Select kitchen faucet today. We're going to open it up and show you what's on the inside, and then we're going to give you some helpful tips on how to install it. All right, now that we've shown you what's inside the Aquno Select box, we're going to show you how to install it. The new satin flow water feature here that flows out of the base of the faucet, there's been a lot of questions that have been put towards us. Is this installed any differently? Because you are giving water flow here as well as out of the spout. But we're here to show you today that it installs just like a regular kitchen faucet. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do now. Okay, so now you can see we've secured the base of the faucet to the countertop. The next thing we're going to do is, if you notice, the spout is actually not attached to the faucet when it comes in the box. So what you're going to need to do is, there's a little plastic sleeve right around the spout stem right here. You're going to remove that. And on the back of the spout itself, there's a little round hole there. There's a little round tab on this black piece of plastic right here that you just want to make sure lines up with the back of this. And you're simply going to take this like this and insert it right over top there. This is greased up, so it slides right on. And you're going to snap it in place just like that. Okay, now that we've installed the spout and secured it to the faucet base, we're going to insert the pull-out hose. The pull-out hose is simply inserted just like this. Come to the bottom, push like that, one more time. All right, now that we've showed you how to install the pull-out spray, we've secured the water lines below and turned on the water. Now it's time to show you how the Aquno kitchen faucet operates. Your on and off and temperature control is on the side here, simply up for hot and down for cold. The pull-out spray has an aerated spray or a regular stream by pushing the button on the back here. But the really unique feature about the Aquno Select kitchen faucet is by engaging the select button here and turning on the satin flow spray. The satin flow spray is great for washing vegetables and fruits or other objects you want to keep inside the sink. And you can see here it's virtually splash free. I can put my hand almost all the way against it and no water leaves the sink. One of the most unique features of a kitchen faucet today. And simply turn it off by engaging the handle right here. So that's how you install the Aquno kitchen faucet and some of the great features about it. This is Jason from hansgrohe. Thanks a lot.